Third graders, welcome back. So for our next assignment, we're going to be drawing flowers and insects. Now, you're going to have lots of choices for this assignment. First, your flowers. You can draw any kind of flower you would like. You could draw a rose, a bluebonnet, whatever kind of flower you would like. Some flowers are a little bit easier to draw, some a little bit harder. So like this one, start with a circle, and then you just draw the big petals. This one has a big circle and little petals. This one, our bluebonnet, all we did was draw a line for the stem, add our 2 leaves, and then just draw ovals on both sides. And then when you think you think it's big enough, then we just add a curve at the top. This one, we start with a couple of zigzag lines, and then draw a big U shape at the bottom. This one, we start with a spiral, and then another big U shape. This one, what we do is draw kind of like the shape of a raindrop. So you just make this big curve with a point at the end, kind of like an oval at the bottom, but pointy at the top. And then we just make a big curve over here, curve, curve. Now this one's probably the hardest one that some of my students made. We start with the circle, and then we do the top, this shape right here, the top of a raindrop, bottom, side, side, and then we do that same shape on the 4 corners, and then we start that process over again. Top, bottom, side, side, and then the 4 corners. Then all of them, we add the stem, a couple of leaves. If you want, you can add the lines inside the leaves. Then, I would like you to have at least 3 flowers and 3 insects. So for your insects, we can draw a butterfly, you could draw a bee, you could do a ladybug, dragonfly, any kind of insect you want. Once you have finished with your drawing, color it in. Your flowers can be any colors you want. And once you're done, please make sure that you take a picture and send it in through Schoology. So here's a couple more examples. This one's finished. So you can see lots of flowers. We have a nice butterfly, and she made hers a little bit more realistic. Same thing with this dragonfly. But you can do any kind of insects you want. Butterfly, a moth, a fly, you can do ants, you can do caterpillars if you would like. A few more quick examples. So your insects, they could be realistic or they could be cartoonish. However you like to make your artwork. So, again, don't forget to take a picture and send it in to Schoology. This one is for a grade, so I can't wait to see what your pictures look like. Thanks for watching.